Hello everyone and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Today's meditation is designed to help you when you feel overwhelmed, when you feel like you can't do it, when life becomes too much. Starting with just noticing your body, paying attention to your physical body, and just noticing the tension in your muscles. And maybe you're holding tension in certain parts of your body. And I invite you now to talk to those parts of your body, connect with them, and say, "You're safe, relax. You're safe, relax. You are safe, relax." And now deepening your breath, slowing down your breath. And as you inhale peace. And on the exhale, release any of that tension and stress that you may be holding on to. So very intentional breathing. I want you to visualize a beautiful soft blue light shine above your head now. As this light gently falls down, surrounding you and your body, cooling down your energy, soothing your energy, and gently this light begins to enter your body, merging with you, soothing every cell, muscle, all the way to the bone, entering your blood vessels, moving in your blood, and soothing and cooling your nervous system. Calming your mind and helping you release any more tension, any more stress that you may be holding on to in your body. Suffering often comes from a place of attachment, of expectation. If we can learn to let go, we suddenly tap into awareness, being present, and this allows us to relax. And so as you think about the situation that is causing you stress, ask yourself, What am I attached to? What am I attached to? And now try to understand how this attachment is causing you pain, is causing the suffering. Now ask yourself, why do you need to hold on to this attachment? Is this really serving you? Or is this part of a program, a belief system? What are you willing to let go of? What aspects of this attachment are you ready to let go? You don't have to do it all at once. Start with something small, something that you know you are ready to let go of. Maybe you know you're just attached to it because you were told that this is important, or you think that it's important. Only you know what that is. And now begin to visualize yourself in a more relaxed state. Notice how you think, feel differently. Understand the importance of learning how to soothe and calm your mind and your body. Understand how this is priority over your attachment. And so inviting yourself to be brave, to trust that when you let go, that when you learn to overcome your attachments, you essentially return back in control. Taking a moment of gratitude for nurturing your mind, nurturing your body and your spirit today. Deepening your breath in and out once again, in and out. It's time to come back now, so slowly expanding your awareness back into your body, back into the space. Take your time. When it feels right, open your eyes.